Welcome back, dear children. In our last video, we have learnt that why constitution has made, why rules are made, so that the country should run together in a systematic way. Today, we will see those provisions. The provisions in the constitution are about different things. For example, citizenship, the rights of citizens, the relationship between citizens and the state, subjects of the laws to be made by the government, elections, there are restrictions on government too, jurisdiction of the state, etc. So there are so many things where this government has to follow the laws for the smooth conduction of the country. We have our own constitution. Other countries have their own. It depends, children, on the needs, the history of the country, the culture of the country. Every country has its own culture. Every country has its own history, own tradition. So it depends on the needs of the country, history, culture, tradition of that particular country. Now, let us see the necessity of the constitution. There are several advantages of governing a country with the help of rules or provisions included in a constitution. Now, what is the role of the government? So, let us see. Government has to make laws relating to several subjects such as protecting the people from external aggression. External aggression means angry behavior of the people. To defend the boundaries of the country. We have forces, you all know, who look after the boundaries. The people, poor people, the eradication of poverty means to stop poverty. To take the people to the richness, creating employment. If there is work, there will be no poor people in this country. And to create employment first, there should be stress given on education and health services, isn't it? Encouragement to commerce and industries, to expand business of the country, protection of the weaker section. Wherever we are weak, they look after that particular section. Making policies for the progress of women, especially in small villages. Children and the tribal people. Who are tribal people? Adivasis who live in small, isolated villages, in jungles. So government has to bring about desirable changes in the society by implementing laws. Implementing laws means we have to follow the laws. In short, governments in modern times have to take decisions related to different issues, right from space research to public cleanliness. You have learnt about the space research till 6th standard. And now, in this pandemic, you also have learnt about public cleanliness. So, this is governance or administration of the country. Now, what is the role of the government or what is the need of making constitution? So, here administration includes many things which we have learnt. See, let us concentrate on the process of making Indian constitution. Children, it was started in 1946. These are the leaders of the freedom movement. They insisted that independent India will be governed only by the laws of Indians and not of the Britishers. You all know. We became free from the clutches of British, but that time Who used to rule the country? Britishers. So, after becoming independent, the leaders decided that the government of India should be there and the laws made by them and not by the Britishers. Then the committee was established. These are few committee members. Can you see them? These are few committee members. These committee members, later on known as Constituent Assembly. Understood? I repeat, a committee was established to prepare the constitution of independent India. So the basic reason that we became free from the clutches of Britishers and decided to have our own rules. Understood? When do we become free? On 15th August 1947. Till then, Britishers used to rule the country, but these leaders decided to have our own rules, and therefore the process of making Indian constitution started. Understood? Even before the independence, it was started. The planning was started. Understood? So these are the few members of the committee. So this much we have learnt today. In our next period, we will see about the Constituent Assembly and the role of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Till then, bye bye children. See you children.